Hey everyone, divorce is never easy. But what if there were a way to go through it with minimal stress, lower costs, and less conflict? Today, we are talking about uncontested divorce in Singapore, a legal process that allows couples to part ways amicably. Let's explore what it is, the legal framework in Singapore, why it is preferable to a contested divorce, and some real-life examples of how couples can take this route. An uncontested divorce is a divorce where both parties agree on all key issues, including the reason for divorce and all ancillary matters such as custody of children, division of assets, and maintenance, also known as alimony. Since there are no disputes to be resolved in court, the process is smoother, faster, and significantly less expensive than a contested divorce, where parties argue their positions before a judge. In Singapore, divorce is governed by the Women's Charter. The only legally recognized ground for divorce is the irretrievable breakdown of the marriage, as set out in Section 95 of the Women's Charter. Section 95A of the Women's Charter sets out the facts that can be used to prove the irretrievable breakdown of the marriage. If both spouses agree to divorce and have settled all ancillary matters, they may be filed under the simplified divorce track. Once all necessary documents are in order, the court grants an interim judgment. Uncontested divorce is the preferred option for many couples due to several advantages. It saves time as the process can be completed in as little as 4 months, whereas contested divorces may drag on for years. It also reduces legal costs, making it a more affordable option. More importantly, it minimizes emotional distress, allowing both spouses to move forward with their lives without unnecessary conflict. Unlike a contested divorce where a judge decides the outcome, an uncontested divorce gives the couple greater control over their own arrangements. To illustrate how an uncontested divorce works in practice, consider a few scenarios. Anna and James have been married for 5 years, but have grown apart. With no children and their own separate assets, they discuss their divorce calmly and agree on the terms. They engage a lawyer to draft their divorce papers in accordance with their agreed terms and proceed with an uncontested divorce, allowing them to part ways with dignity. Another example is David and Linda, who have 2 young children. Wanting to shield them from emotional distress, they agree on joint custody, with Linda as the primary caregiver with care and control, and David providing financial support on a mutually agreed sum. By working together, they avoid a drawn-out court battle and ensure their children's well-being remains the priority. A third example involves Jason and Michelle, business partners who wish to continue working together despite their marriage ending. Through mediation, they reach a financial settlement that allows Michelle to exit the business while securing her financial future. Their uncontested divorce enables them to separate personally while maintaining a professional relationship. In life, impermanence is inevitable. Clinging to conflict only deepens suffering. An uncontested divorce allows couples to embrace change with clarity and acceptance, minimizing harm to themselves and those around them. Some battles are best left unfought. Wisdom lies not in proving who is right, but in knowing when to let go. The law provides a structured path, but ultimately, it is the choices we make, guided by understanding and compassion for our ex-spouses, that determine whether the journey is peaceful or filled with struggle and court battles. If you or someone you know is considering divorce, remember that an uncontested route can save time, money, and emotional strain. Speaking to a lawyer early can help clarify options and ensure a smoother process. If you found this discussion helpful, do consider sharing it to those who may benefit. Thanks for joining me in this discussion on uncontested divorce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.